Once upon a time, someone told their therapist, "I'm going to kill her." And what unfolded was a sequence of events that changed doctor-patient confidentiality forever. When you walk into your doctor or your therapist's office, you walk in with the belief that anything you share with the confines of those four walls is confidential. And 999 times out of 1,000, you'd be right in believing that. Except in one small little exception. If the information you divulge leads to the discovery that someone's life is in danger, your doctor or therapist is liable to report that. And this change was brought about by one specific case, the Tatiana Tarasoff case. It's a story to die for, literally. California, 1969. Prasenjit Poddar sits across from his therapist and reveals to him that he intends to kill Tatiana Tarasoff, a woman he was obsessed with and a woman who had rejected him. The therapist, recognizing the seriousness of the matter, informs the police, going against the wishes of his superiors, and Poddar is briefly detained but later released. No one warns Tatiana or her family. Unfortunately, Prasenjit follows through with his threat and kills Tatiana. Tatiana's family later sued, saying that the therapist and the institution that she was a part of had a responsibility to protect or at least warn their daughter. And after some years of court proceedings, in 1976, the court passed a landmark judgment that mental health professionals had a duty to warn and a duty to protect identifiable victims when credible threats were made. This case fundamentally changed how psychiatry is practiced. When there is a real, imminent threat to someone from a patient, your psychiatrist and therapist are legally and ethically bound to act, whether it is informing the victim, informing law enforcement, or taking steps to hospitalize the patient. They must do something. A life was lost. But the world learned an important lesson, that silence has a price too. And this is a dilemma that every mental health professional will face at least once in their careers. Respect patient confidentiality or ensure someone's safety. The ethics make it clear which choice they will make. But the burden of it never decreases.